Yo guys, first time at Exploding Wilds. This is my first bonus on it. Sat down, about $7 into this machine so far. Let's see what it does. I'm not hitting nothing. I'm here with you guys. Let's see if we get the love. Show me the love, crazy money guy. Bonus not looking so hot for me. Oh, this could be something. This could be something. It's a little something, couple change. Yahoo! We still got 8 spins. Come on, Wild Bill. Let's get it here, man. By the way, we selected the 15 free spin option. I'm pretty sure we all discovered that by now. Not a tremendous bonus for an 88-cent spin. I'm happy with it so far. And yeehaw. Make this the good of your man. It's gonna be a hoot nanny. And 16 is what it is.